Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer of Professional Reading Course, Mr. Rudy Haryono. Now, I would like to explain about the activation of prior knowledge for improved listening comprehension to fulfill my final assessment. Before explaining this material, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dranita Gustari, and I am a first semester English education student at Muhammadiyah Bogoraya University. First material is reason why I choose this article. Listening is a difficult language skills, but it often lacks optimal reason why I choose these article strategies in Indonesian educational settings. This article provides clear theory and practical example that can be used in the classroom. What does it interest? This article provide real-life example transaction at an Australian museum and a Madrid train station that are easy to understand and demonstrate the application of the comprehension process directly. It focuses on utilizing student experience and interest to increase motivation and understanding. Next, what is the article about? This article discusses about the importance of student language in forage language listening comprehension. It explains concepts from a cognitive perspective, such as schemes, scripts, and top-down or bottom-up process. Compares listening with reading and explain why prior knowledge activation is more crucial in listening. Difficult words. First, cognitive view. Second, schema. Third, discourse markers. 4, contextualizes. 5, bottom-up processing. Next, explain some keywords. First, prior knowledge activation. An effort to remind students of information, experience, or concept they already have before engaging in listening activities to help them understand new material. Second, schema, a mental structure that stores general knowledge about a topic or situation, which helps to make assumptions and predications about new things. And next, explain some keywords. First, top-down processing. A comprehension process they use prior knowledge and context to understand new information, starting from the general pictures and moving to the details. Second, bottom-up processing, a comprehension process that builds understanding gradually from small details, such as sounds, words, to the overall pictures. Next, introduction. 2 themes will be the focus of this discussion. First, the importance of supporting student learning processes. Listening in other language is a difficult task, but we can make it easier by applying knowledge about activating prior knowledge and using well-structured speaking text. Second, the other theme is motivation. Because listening is so challenging, teachers need to carefully consider how to make learning activities successful and the material engaging for students. We need to build on the knowledge and interest they already have. Next, methodology. The article uses a literature review and conceptual analysis approach, including examples from the author's personal experience to illustrate the concept described. No specific quantitative or qualitative research design was used. Next key finding: first, prior knowledge significantly influenced the ability to understand auditory information. Second, students need both top-down and bottom-up comprehension processes to listen effectively. Third, despite similarities, listening presents unique challenges such as a real-time processing and voice variation that differ from reading. 4. Effective listening instruction should activate prior knowledge and connect it to student lives. According to Lutz, study readers tend to remember more detail than listeners, who must fill in the gaps in their understanding by guessing the context. Next, conclusion. Listening is a complex activity that is influenced by student cognitive process. Activating prior knowledge help students connect new material to their experience, thereby improving understanding and motivation. Teachers need to design activities that combine both process of understanding the paying attention to the difference between listening and reading. Utilizing student interest is key to making listening learning more meaningful. Maybe enough for me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.